We're going to chat about the 2021 Chevrolet Corvette C8 today. So we got the vehicle in, we took it for a test drive just to see kind of where the OEM dynamics are, what we liked, what we didn't like. Then we brought the car back into the shop, put it on a rack and started tearing it apart. So we weighed it, it's right around 3,500 pounds in the trim that we had. We took apart the front shocks and springs, so then we cycled the shocks without the spring. That tells us where our full droop and our full bump are, and that tells us how much travel we have left in both directions if we decide to lower it. We did end up lowering it about an inch. Your stock spring rate was 250 pounds per inch. We're going with 275 for our initial prototypes and see how that does. We download the shocks to make sure that that matches well with that increased spring rate. And then from there we went to our anti-roll bars. So the anti-roll bars OEM are 30 millimeters front and 29 millimeters rear. We are going to start with 32 millimeters both front and rear and see if we can get the car to feel a little more balanced.